Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to update graphics drivers in Windows 11. In order to do this, you're going to go over to your search bar, click on it, and search for device. You're going to see device manager and you're going to click on it. And on this window, you're going to look for display adapters. Click on the drop down and your graphics driver will be displayed here. In my case, I'm using NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050. We're going to right click on it and click on update driver. Here you have two options and you're going to click on search automatically for drivers. And it says the best drivers for your device are already installed. However, there is some information here where it says there may be better drivers in Windows Update or on the device manufacturer's website. So you can go over to NVIDIA's website and you can look for the updated version. But for NVIDIA, you have the NVIDIA GeForce Experience. On our computer, you're going to click on the search button again and search for GeForce. You can see GeForce Experience. I'm going to open it. And now that we have it opened, we have home and drivers. We're going to click on drivers. And here you can click for update, search for them and download them as they apply to you. If you found this video helpful, do give us a like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.